tone of Bobby's voice was so pleasant, like a beautiful violin. It was obvious that Bobby was the most gifted singer in the audition, at the audition. Now you guys know what audition is because Miss Karen told you what audition is, right? What is it?
Tryout.
Tryout, very good. Give him a hand. Give him a hand. He's paying attention. When I call your name, it means you have been selected for a role in our school play, announced one of the judges. The daughter of the football coach was chosen. Let me say this again. The daughter of the football coach was chosen. The school principal's son was jumping with joy. Even the teacher's nephew made it through. Okay, he made it through. Regardless, Bobby's name was never mentioned. Funny, yeah? And he was the best one there. He was the best singer. But Bobby's name was never mentioned. Before I leave this auditorium, I have just one thing to ask. Bobby inquired, which means he asked one of the judges, out of the 25 students that you have chosen for this play, how could I not be one of them? One judge replied, Bobby, you have the wrong look. You don't look right. The others look like fashion models in a fancy magazine. Another judge said, your voice is too unusual. You don't sound like all the others. You have no marketplace, meaning there's nowhere that would want to buy his voice. He has no audience that would want to support him. He'll have no fans, is what they're saying. On his walk home with Martin, Bobby held his chin down, staring only at the sidewalk. Hold up your chin, shouted Martin. What do those judges know about singing anyway? Don't worry, Bobby, Martin continued. I will call my uncle on your behalf. My uncle is one of the top talent agents in the country. Does anybody know what an agent is? No?
No, it is just I don't know how to explain it.
Okay. Okay, so I'll explain it to you.